Paramahamsa Nityananda, a compelling spiritual force of our millennium, founder of an international socio-spiritual movement, pioneer of a modern Vedic renaissance. Born in the sacred town of Tiruvannamalai, a yogi by birth, fearless spiritual explorer, beacon of divine power, Paramahamsa Nityananda is today an inspiration for millions on the path. Adept in ancient mystical yogic sciences, researcher of the science of spirituality, guru for enlightenment. Every year, Paramahamsa Nityananda shares with over 1 crore people worldwide the treasures of his wisdom, the joy of his laughter, and the incomparable power of his initiation. Now, Paramahamsa Nityananda reveals the deeper secrets of life, science of life. Join us every day for an unforgettable spiritual experience.
Let me explain exactly what is Karmasu Kauchalam. Please understand, the solidified emotion. It may be Matrubhava or Sakabhava or Dasabhava, Vatsalya Bhava or Mathura Bhava or Mahabhava. The solidified emotion is Bhava Samadhi. But when that solidified emotion is no more separate from you, becomes part of your very existence, consciousness, that is what I call Karmasu Kauchalam. Means, see, what is solidified emotion? If you are in Bhava Samadhi, means you will see everything as Devi. If you are in Bhava Samadhi with Krishna, you will see everything as Krishna. So much of sweetness will be there by the remembrance of Krishna. When that sweetness becomes part of your action, without even remembering Krishna, just by your action, if you are going through that same intense sweetness, that is what is called Karmasu Kauchalam. Efficiency in action. Efficiency in action means never being tired of action. Any action which makes you tired will make you old, will bring you disease. Your action, when it does not make you tired, when it goes on inspiring you for more and more and more, then you reach the space Yogaha Karmasu Kauchalam. I have decided I will continue to make this spelling mistake. I am not going to pronounce this as a Kaushalam. I'll call it as Kauchalam only. Let it become my own accent. This is the way I'll remember his powerful initiation. That word has hit me like anything. Unfortunately, if I did not have that initiation at that moment, of course, always divine supports you, brings you the proper intelligence and proper time. If I have not had that initiation, I would have been just sitting in my Bhava Samadhi, what is called a solidified emotion. The big problem with a solidified emotion is you can spend any number of years with it and finally you can lose it also. You will not go forward. But once that yoga karmasu kauchalam, that happens, it becomes Sahaja Samadhi. Unless you show efficiency in action, perfection in action, the emotion you are going through, the Bhava Samadhi you are going through, will not become part of you. Bhava Samadhi you go through will become part of you only when you take responsibility, only when you bring perfection in action. Joy in action.
Next question is from Richa from Bangalore. Swamiji, can you please explain what you mean by efficiency?
Richa, efficiency means efficiency. Efficiency means the action should have its effect on outer world and the inner world. It should be like a double-edged sword. The action should be creating desired result outside and desired result inside. That is what I mean by the word efficiency. If I have to give an example, morning you get up and do yoga. The action of doing yoga should create the desired result in the outer world, means the body becoming healthy. And same way it should create the desired result in the inner world, creating a positive pattern or a positive mental setup, which is purpose of yoga. So all action, same way, if you are creating a relationship, it should create the friendly relationship and it should bring the happiness and fulfillment which you are supposed to have in your inner space through that relationship. So efficiency means the effect of action in the outer world and in the inner world. Unfortunately, whole humanity is established in laziness. Now I am telling you the truth. By sitting in satsang, two things need to be achieved. One, you need to sit in such a comfortable position in the outer world. Another, you are supposed to be in a state which nowhere nobody disturbs. No words are touching you. Nothing touches you. You are beautifully in that peaceful awareness. What you call as your own Sahaja Samadhi, being established in laziness.
The next question is from Akshay Shukla as well as from Jean from Dallas, Texas. Isn't perfection measured by the result of the action? Doesn't that make us focus on the result?
Ajay Shukla, perfection is not measured by the result of the action. It measured by the way you are acting. Understand? The quality of the action not the quantity of the action, not the quantity which happens because of your action, but the quality of your action. Only when the quality is not there, you will have time to measure the quantity of the action. So perfection is not measured by the result of the action, it is measured by the quality of the action. But I tell you, when the quality is there, the quantity also will follow, even though you don't bother about it. It's like you walk without bothering about the shadow, but the shadow follows you. Same way, in the quality, in the kaushalam, in the efficiency, you walk and it follows. The quantity also follows you. Next, let you all achieve, experience, live, express, radiate and share the eternal bliss, Nityananda. Thank you.
Guruve Sharanam Sharanam Nitya Guruve Sharanam Sharanam.
Welcome to Inner Awakening, the most powerful personal transformation retreat you could ever experience. In just 21 days, thousands are already experiencing the shortest route to constantly high energy levels, visible anti-aging, healing of chronic diseases, fulfilling relationships, and higher states of consciousness. What is the secret behind this transformation?
Kundalini means the inner potential energy. Once it is awakened, opens the different doors for the conscious experience in you. I can say which is a master key for all extraordinary spiritual experiences.
This extraordinary program is conducted personally by Paramahamsa Nityananda in the vibrant atmosphere of Nityananda Dhyanapitham Ashram. Open yourself to the benefits of Nitya Yoga and practical meditation. Experience physical and mental healing. Discover simple ways to handle life with success. Above all, enjoy individual darshan and blessings from Paramahamsa Nityananda every day. Take 21 days for yourself and carry home the transformation of a lifetime.